Hello, what is up mga moms or sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the ZD Toys Venom na 4-inch na action figure. Yan. So ito na yung custom repainted na project natin. Tapos tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko siya ginawa from start to finish. This is the toxin version na skin ni Venom. Gumagawa tayo ng maraming skins or suits or variants ni Venom kasi gagawa tayo ng Venom set. So first is to apply Boston number 4 flat black as our primer. It is very important or recommended na mag-apply ng primer para yung paints na ilalagay natin, mag-i-stick siya dun sa surface. Okay, let the primer cure for about 8 to 12 hours. Tapos, pwede na tayo mag-paint over it. So, ang first na color na i-apply natin ay yung primer gray from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our video. Meron silang shop sa Lazada and Shopee. Puntahan nyo na lang sa search nyo sa Lazada, HIRO Paints, Hero Paints. Okay, for this process, gumagamit tayo ng dry brushing process. Okay, next na paint, we are going to apply dark blue. Kasi sobrang neutral na ng colors niya, mag-add lang tayo ng extra color. So, same application na technique, dry brushing pa din. Okay, next step, we are going to apply white paint dun sa head hanggang dun sa back and up until sa my arms, middle of the arms, sa may biceps. Kasi gagawin natin gradient yung kanyang body. So, dapat yung base niya mas light sa taas para yung red mas vibrant. And then next paint, blood red naman. So, ito yung first layer ng red natin. Same process, dry brushing. So, nakakatulong yung dry brushing for mixing, for paint transitions. Kung gusto niyo mag-feather, pwede yan. Dry brushing technique. Next na paint naman, warm red. Okay, para naman sa mata, mag-add ako ng white. Tapos dun sa kanyang white base muna, tapos fluorescent green yung kanyang, yung, yung toxin effect. Alright, there you go. Tapos na ang ating custom repainted na toxin version ng ZD Toys 4-inch na action figure. So if you want to buy yung stock, meron sa mga toy stores, local toy stores sa Toy Kingdom, Toys R Us, ZD Toys 4-inch na action figure. And kasama niya sa set si Spider-Man, Doc Ock, Rhino. Sobrang sulit nitong Venom na to kasi ang laki niya. Tsaka si Rhino, bulky din naman siya. So, super ganda ng mga figures ni ZD Toys. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.